Understanding Direct Examination, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic that you might come across in legal contexts: direct examination. Understanding this term is not only essential for those interested in law but also for anyone looking to improve their English vocabulary and comprehension skills. So, let's dive in and demystify this term together. Direct examination is a key phase in a trial or legal proceeding where a lawyer asks questions to their own witness. This is the first opportunity for the witness to tell their side of the story in court. The main goal here is to present evidence and build a strong foundation for the case. During direct examination, the lawyer cannot ask leading questions, meaning they cannot suggest the answer within the question itself. Instead, they use open-ended questions to allow the witness to explain facts and details in their own words. The primary purpose of direct examination is to establish facts and provide the jury or judge with a clear understanding of the witness's testimony. It's crucial for presenting the case's basis and highlighting important evidence. Lawyers meticulously prepare for this phase to ensure their questions are clear, concise, and strategically designed to elicit the necessary information without leading the witness. Lawyers use various techniques during direct examination to ensure they gather comprehensive and understandable evidence. They might start with background questions to establish the witness's credibility and then move on to more detailed inquiries about the case. Narrative storytelling is often encouraged, as it helps the jury or judge visualize the events as they happened. This section of the trial is pivotal for setting the tone of the case and can significantly influence the outcome. It's important to distinguish between direct examination and cross-examination. While direct examination involves a lawyer questioning their own witness, cross-examination sees the opposing lawyer questioning the witness, often with the aim of finding inconsistencies or discrediting their testimony. Cross-examination allows for leading questions, contrasting the open-ended nature of direct examination questions. Understanding the concept of direct examination is crucial for anyone learning legal English or interested in the workings of legal proceedings. It's a fundamental aspect of trials that affects how evidence is presented and how testimonies are evaluated. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and enhanced your understanding of English in a legal context. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.